Officer, thank you for listening. I am Julian. I am 30 years old. It was a quiet Sunday morning at the Louvre. The sun was rising and the museum was empty. I was walking alone in the long galleries. Everything was peaceful. I heard nothing, only my own footsteps. Then, I looked out of a window. I saw a large truck. It had a long hydraulic platform. I saw men in orange vests. They looked like normal construction workers. I thought, oh, they are here for repairs. I did not call the police. I did not know they were thieves. It was my first mistake. The platform went up, higher and higher. It reached the high terrace of the museum. The men stepped onto the stone floor. They were moving very fast. Suddenly, I heard a loud noise. Crash! They broke a large window with a heavy tool. I ran to the sound. My heart was beating like a drum. I saw them jump inside. They were wearing black masks now. I ran down the stairs and through the dark halls. I arrived at the grand jewelry gallery. The gold and the diamonds were sparkling under the lights. The jewelry is worth 88 million euros. One man saw me. He was tall and scary. He had a weapon. He pointed it at me and shouted, "Stay back! Don't move!" I stopped. I put my hands up. I was in shock. The other thief had a big hammer. He broke the security glass. Pieces of glass were everywhere. He took the necklaces and the crowns. He put 88 million euros in a black bag. They were so professional. They did not talk. They only worked. Only 7 minutes. The whole robbery was only 7 minutes. They ran back to the terrace. I picked up my radio and shouted for help, but it was too late. They jumped onto the truck platform. The truck drove away very quickly. It disappeared in the small streets of Paris. They were gone like ghosts. The police arrived, but the thieves were far away. Now, I am here, in this room. I am very tired and very sad. The 88 million euro jewelry is gone. The museum is empty. I still see their masks in my dreams. I am sorry, officer. It was a perfect plan. I tried to help, but they were too fast.